Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Reishi mushroom powder. This process allows you to create a potent supplement right in your own kitchen. We'll cover everything from preparing the fresh mushrooms to drying them properly and finally grinding them into a fine powder. You'll learn how to ensure purity and maximize the benefits of this incredible fungus. Let's get started on transforming Reishi into a versatile powder for your wellness routine. First, you'll need to prepare your fresh Reishi mushrooms. Begin by gently cleaning them with a soft brush to remove any dirt or debris. Next, carefully slice the mushrooms into thin, uniform pieces. Aim for slices that are about 1/4 of an inch thick. This consistency is crucial because thinner slices will dry much more efficiently and evenly, which is key for a high-quality powder. Once your Reishi is sliced, it's time for drying. The most effective method is using a food dehydrator set between 110 and 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread the slices in a single layer, ensuring good air circulation. If you don't have a dehydrator, you can air dry them in a warm, well-ventilated space. The goal is for the slices to become completely brittle, snapping easily when bent. This can take anywhere from several hours to a full day. With your Reishi slices thoroughly dried, the final step is grinding them into a fine powder. A dedicated coffee grinder works exceptionally well for this, creating a consistent texture. Grind in small batches to avoid overheating the machine. Once powdered, transfer your Reishi into an airtight container. Store it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and moisture, to maintain its potency and freshness for an extended period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.